Hello dear friends, in this video I will make a delicate pistachio flan. Pour gelatin into cold water and let it sit for 10 minutes to bloom. In a small saucepan, combine milk, heavy cream, and condensed milk. Add sugar and vanilla extract. Heat over medium heat, stirring constantly until the sugar is completely dissolved. Do not bring to a boil. Add 2 tablespoons of pistachio paste to the hot milk mixture. Whisk thoroughly to ensure the paste is evenly distributed. Heat the bloom gelatin in a double boiler or microwave, 10 to 15 seconds, until fully dissolved. Pour the gelatin into the milk mixture and stir well. Carefully pour the prepared mixture into molds. Let the dessert cool to room temperature, then refrigerate for at least 4 to 6 hours until fully set. Before serving, garnish the flan with chopped pistachios. I highly recommend trying this delicate, delicious and light dessert. It's incredibly easy to make, and the pleasure it brings is simply unforgettable.